Hi guys, today we're playing tag with this gorilla monkey. How? How? Hold on, wait, my controller! It's broken. Like, I have to, every once in a while, like, my controller might dislocate. I don't know if you know what I mean by that, but, like, I mean my ring can dislocate. Because it's already broken.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Sup, little bro?
You're mine now.
Ow! Free. Dang. What? Wait. You did want to solve his jukes.
Right over it. What?
You did want to solve his jukes. He does that.
No way, you jumped over though.
Dang. Ow, wait. I just pinched my finger trying to relocate my freaking controller. I'm not lying. Ow. That hurt.
Leave me alone.
Leave you alone? Oh, no. I ain't leaving you alone.
Where's my boundary at?
I didn't go down.
Where did you go?
I started wall running. Can't wall run that good. How? For me? Like, you're not, like, I don't know if I'm lagging for you. Am I?
I don't know either. Nope. No, leave me alone. Dang it. Bro, you jumped over far and I didn't jump at all.
Frick, I fell. Dang. After I tag you, do you want to add each other on the Oculus?
Where did you come
Come here, bro.
from? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Joe. My screen just completely changed.
Dang. Wait, I'm lagging. For a second,
Womp womp.
you lagged out. It doesn't really matter. Ha! Wait, what?
I can't see. I can't. Yeah, I can see.
I don't
Where
know
did
what.
you go?
I don't know what happened. Dang. Brother, this guy stinks.
Bro, I just invented a new slide juke. Good bonk.
Hey, you did. Hey. Ah. What if I start wall running, huh? What if I start wall? Where are you? Come here, buddy.
You mom. Dang it.
Dang. Where are you? Oh shoot! What are you doing? What are you?
I just heard a fly and I don't know where it is.
What are you doing?
I just bent my spine.
How?
Yeah, honestly, if you keep doing the same jukes, I'm bound to study them and...
Okay. Ow! I hit my wall. Where are you? There you are.
Oh,
Frick. My controller. My controller tracking. My controller tracking. Ow.
womp womp.
Don't you ever say womp womp.
Well, I want to see something. I saw this on YouTube. I'm gonna try something. I saw it on YouTube.
I am wall running. What? Do you want to try wall running or something?
Pull up.
Hello.
How did I not tap me there?
Wait, I want to try the Jamie and Curly juke on you. Honestly. Hold on. My game is...
I'm kind of like slow-mo like this.
Just stand right here. Come here. Come here. I'm still recording a video. I just want to see if I could actually try to do it. Why did I get... Ah, sorry guys, I just got disconnected. My internet is acting bad.
Running is one.
That's gonna be all for this video.
Hey, purple. Purple.
Hold on, wait, I'm recording a video. I'm doing the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
There's a monkey on the shelf.
I don't really know what to say for my outro, but bye.